Welcome to Lily's World. I'm glad you are here. Today we're gonna have another unboxing to do. And this is my first time to have this kind of device, so I'm really excited. It's a gimbal. And I haven't tried it before. Let's unbox it. Do it with me. Do you want to see this now? I thought it's a big one, but not really. Handled with care. Why do they make it so hard? There you go. Yahoo! See that? I steady. Yeah. Ouch. Ouch. Make the moment. Enjoy it. iSteady Pro, compatible with GoPro Hero 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 series, and other action cams with similar size. And there's also a Ho-Hem gimbal app. I'll clean up later. Ooh, nice. Nice. You got a container like this. This is cool. I've never had something like this, so this is really different for me. They said charge it for the first time, so make sure you do that. Once it's fully charged, it would have 4 LED lights on. If you're looking at the gimbal, the LED lights are on the right side. Okay, looks like one is still blinking, so it's not fully charged yet. Make sure you do not turn on the gimbal without an action camera mounted on. Look at this. I was wondering what this is. It's actually the stand. Haha. Yeah? Yaha? Stand. I was wondering what this was, so that's what it is. Yes, I've been wanting to have one a long time ago. So how do we use this? Not sure. I'll figure it out and get back to you. Okay, thank you. Hi guys. So I'm very happy with this purchase. This is really cool. I already mounted it, but as soon as you get it, you have to unscrew it here. Unscrew so you can insert your GoPro. I want to see how it works. Alright. Look at that. Hi. Ooh. Yeah. And then you can also connect it to your phone. So this is like your remote control. You can control it from here. Yeah. See that? Oh, I love it. I'm really gonna enjoy this one. And then if you are moving, you wanna film something cool, you can actually press this twice and it centers it. See? And then even if you are shaky, you have a shaky hand, it's fine because it's gimbal. That's actually the use of this one, so it avoids having shaky footage. So I'm gonna test this now and then show you how it looks like with the gimbal. Okay? Okay, there are actually 4 different modes, and it's the pan follow, that's the first one, pan and tilt follow, all locked, all follow, and inception. I'm gonna try all locked and then take a video. Okay. So how does this work? GoPro, start recording. Okay. Oh, alright, so even if I'm moving my hand, it's not really changing it. See? Okay, let's change the mode to... Okay, that is for all follow and inception. Right? How about the first mode? That's pan follow. I centered it. And so, ooh. Next mode, pan and tilt follow. Oh my god, it's so cool. Love it. I should do it. I should take a video of me. Hi. How is it going? How is it? Look at my hand, it keeps moving. How is it? Do I look weird? What's the other option? Locked. Okay, it's locked. I'm moving my gimbal here, or my hands do, and nothing. It's just locked. That's awesome. And woohoo! How about this? I think it's gonna just. This is the last one. All Follow and Inception. So, however, I'm filming this. But this is horrible without this, right? The video must be really horrible. Then this is the first one. Hey. Ooh, how are you? I'm really excited to use this outdoors. Yahoo! Then you can also tilt it a little bit to the right. See that? I don't know if you can see it. Okay. Yeah. Alright. That's awesome. Awesome. Okay. There it is. Why don't we use this one? No, come on. Where are you going? No, come here. Come here. Up. No, here. Hello. How's your day? I hope you're doing good. I hope you have a good day. This day is fabulous. I'm testing this iStudy Pro gimbal for my GoPro Hero 8 and I'm enjoying it right now. This is so much fun. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you again. GoPro, stop recording.